how to share your location through Messenger. In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through how to share your location on the Messenger app. So let's get started. First, open the Messenger app and select the person with whom you want to share your location with and open their chats. Now you can see the plus icon right here. Tap on this plus icon. As you can see, the location option is right here. Tap on location. Now you'll need to turn on your location on your device, so tap on continue and tap on turn on right here. Now you can see your current location will be shared from this. You can share the live location on Messenger like this. Tap on start sharing live location and tap on done right here. In this way, your live location will be shared to that specific person. And that's it. This is how you can share the live location on Messenger app. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.